Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
The Environmental Public Health Laboratory was opened just 2 years ago, yet the facility is still a work in progress.
Our facility is not up and running 100% or to the point where we would like it to run. And so right now it's just more of waiting for the contractors to fulfill their obligations before we can really start conducting our testing.
Catherine Del Mundo is the Food Testing Program Manager, who along with Claire Berardi, the Mosquito Program Manager, took us behind the scenes of the lab work.
This is the apricot room. This is where we do primarily all of the mosquito work, and I'll come in and show you. We do primarily identification of adults. It's easier and it's less specialized. So we don't have any adults right now, but these are eggs that we're trying to rear into adults. Once we get more of our mosquitoes rearing processes up, we hope to do pesticide resistance and pathogen testing.
Though there's no official certification, they learn by training and hands-on experience. In the sorting NID room, she says they've classified 24 different species, 8 which can potentially cause disease. The goal being to prevent diseases like chikungunya, dengue, and Zika, though the mosquito has yet to be spotted and the diseases haven't been reported on Guam. There's been quite a lot of research done on the tiny mosquitoes here at the Public Health Lab. But when it comes to the food lab, officials say they're waiting on equipment. So you have all the safety in place, but not the actual machine to do the work?
Yes.
Oh
for my part of the laboratory,
lab,
yes.
Yeah. Inspector Del Mundo says the idea of a food screening lab came because a few years ago, 350 kids felt ill after eating breakfast at a local high school. But equipment like their biohood didn't pass certification, delaying the start of her work.
It makes my job a lot more difficult. We've been fortunate enough that we haven't had any big outbreaks yet. So we're hoping, we get the lab up and running before an outbreak occurs, because then, we won't be able to do anything here on island.
They both hope the capabilities of the lab will expand in the future to include testing on more animals, plants, and water. When asked if there were thoughts to use this lab for the medicinal marijuana program, they weren't so sure. The lab still needs to be completed to test mosquitoes and food first. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Carmen Victoria Terlahi.